We got some new numbers for May, so let's take a peek at what they're showing us. Our first up is our residential transactions, and it has been increasing month over month. You can see it's gone up there 16.5%, and we have actually crossed over year. This time last year, we noticed inventory was climbing very quickly and it started to outpace the transactions. This did happen around April, May, so you can see we're not necessarily following the same trend right now in terms of inventory outpacing transactions. You can see all those listings from last year's did push the price down going through the end of last year, and it's now starting to pick up again where we've seen a 3.3% increase month over month. We are still down year over year, but you can see that this time last year is when it started to slope off, whereas right now we're starting to pick up still. We're still moving through the spring. Inventory hasn't been outpacing sales, so it's not looking like we're going to see another big dip in prices as we did last year, but the future is to be told, so we'll see how the other trends play out over the next couple of months. But first, let's take a look at what the listings are doing right now. You can see here that our total listings has been trending upwards still with 16.8% month over month, but we still are down 10% year over year. We had increased inventory and it stayed high. We haven't seen those trends this year. It's been much more balanced in terms of the sales keeping up with the listings. You could see that last year we saw another big bump going through May, and it's looking like we're following the year before, 2024, a little closer in terms of starting to slope out through the spring and then petering off a little bit as we get into the fall, through the summer into the fall again. So interesting to see how we're kind of in between the 2 years, and some of the numbers are reflecting that. Our final number here is our months of inventory, which is showing that we have been having some balance in terms of month to month. We've only been seeing a 1.6% change in the terms of months of inventory. We are sitting at 4.2 months of inventory, which means if nobody listed their property, it would take 4.2 months for inventory to clear. So that is a sign of a balanced market. It had trended upwards, as you can see last year where we were above 5, but we have been steadily coming down as inventory has been coming into terms of a more steady pace, a more balanced place with transactions. So we're going to see how that plays out over the next couple of months, and we'll make sure you get all the trends.